Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of quickly joining a Zoom meeting. Whether you're new to Zoom or need a quick refresher, following these simple steps will have you joining meetings in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Zoom. Start by launching the Zoom application on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get it from the official Zoom website or your device's app store. Step 2. Click on Join a Meeting. Once the application is open, you will see the option to join a meeting on the home screen. Click on this button to proceed. Step 3. Enter Meeting ID. You will be prompted to enter the meeting ID or personal link name provided by the meeting host. Enter the correct ID and click Join. Step 4. Enter your name. Next, you may be asked to enter your name, or it may automatically pull your name from your Zoom account. This name will be visible to other participants in the meeting. Click Join once you've typed in your name. Step 5. Choose your audio options. After that, you'll have the option to select your audio preferences. You can choose to join with computer audio, call via phone, or choose to join later. Make your selection and click Join with computer audio if you opted for computer audio. Step 6. Enable video. You may be prompted to turn on your video. Click the Start Video option to be seen by other participants. This step can typically be adjusted later in the meeting if you prefer not to be on video initially. Step 7. Join the meeting. After completing the audio and video setups, you will officially enter the meeting. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the interface to use features like chat, screen sharing, and more. Don't forget, if you experience any issues joining the meeting, verify that you have a stable internet connection or check for any updates in the Zoom application that may be needed. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content.